Namaskar students. Sometimes we might come across some differential equations which are not in linear form, but after certain substitutions that might be reduced to a linear form. In today's video, we shall see a special form of first order differential equations which upon some special substitution might get reduced to a first order linear differential equation. So let us see in our today's video such type of equations. So this is the problem of today's discussion. It says that dy dx minus tan y by 1 plus x equal to e to the power x into 1 plus x into sec y. Now if you look at this particular given problem, given ODE, it is obviously not in the form of a linear ODE of first order. Because if you recollect the form of a linear ODE of first order, what was the form? General form was dy dx plus some function of x into y equal to another function of x. So obviously if you compare this form with this form, there is no match. But you know, there exists another form of a non-linear ODE which can be reduced to a linear ODE of first order. What is that form? The form looks like this. Suppose fy is a function of y only. So derivative of fy into dy dx plus some function of x into fy equal to qx. It means that suppose you have a function of y only fy, and instead of y you have that fy with px. In the linear form with px you have y only, but in this particular form with px you have a function of y, and derivative of that function is attached to dy dx, whereas in a linear ODE's form with dy dx you have a coefficient of 1 only. In the right hand side both the forms have a function of x only. Now see, if you substitute fy equal to z, then smoothly this can be reduced to a linear ODE of first order. How? Let us see. See, if y, this function of y is given the substitution equal to z, then f dash y dy dx, do a derivative with respect to x on both sides, f dash y dy dx equal to dz dx. Then substitute this in this equation. If you substitute this in this equation, what you have? F dash y dy dx means dz dx. Therefore you have dz dx plus some function of x px. What is fy? Fy is z, which is equal to qx. Now look at this form. This is a linear ODE of first order. Just you have z in place of y. If you compare this and this, same form. Just think that instead of y you have z. So what will be the solution? Very simple. Z e to the power integration p dx equal to integration e to the power integration p dx q dx plus an integrating constant. Afterwards let us substitute z with fy, because in the original equation you didn't have z, you had fy. So after all this integration and things like that calculation, instead of z you will substitute fy, resubstitute, back substitute fy, and you will get the original solution. Let us see now whether the given problem is fit to this form or not. See, now my dear students, see, in the given problem you have tan, sec and all these trigonometric things. I always advise my students that whatever you have in the trigonometric form, always bring down those forms to sin x and cos x only, or sin and cos only. So if you have tan y and sec y, reduce that or break down that to sine and cos. So you have or dy dx minus tan y means sine y by cos y into 1 plus x equal to e to the power x into 1 plus x into sec y means 1 by cos y. Or now bring this cos y on the left hand side. If you bring this on the left hand side, this is having a division sign over here. So if you bring this one on the left side, it will be multiplied with the entire left hand side. So cos y into dy dx minus, see, if you multiply cos y over here, that cos y and denominator's cos y will get cancelled out. So only sine y will remain. Sine y into 1 by 1 plus x equal to e to the power x into 1 plus x. Now let us just rewrite this term. See, you have minus sine y into 1 plus x. Instead of this, you can write plus minus 1 by 1 plus x into sine y. Now compare this line with this form. If you compare this line with this form, see what is qx now? Qx is e to the power x into 1 plus x. What is fy over here? If you compare fy, fy is sine y. And what is px? Px is minus 1 by 1 plus x. Now very simple, see, with dy dx, you must have derivative of fy. What is fy sine y? What is derivative of fy cos y? See, with dy dx, you have cos y. So you can now readily tell that yes, this line is very much equivalent to this form. Now if this line is very much equivalent to this form, what is the substitution now? Fy equal to z. So this is the substitution which you must make. What is fy sine y? So make the substitution. Let sine y equal to z. If sine y is equal to z, therefore derivative on both sides, performing differentiation with respect to x on both sides, you have cos y dy dx equal to dz dx. Now substitute this in the original equation. So if you substitute this over here, you have therefore cos y dy dx means dz dx, dz dx plus minus 1 by 1 plus x into what is sine y? Sine y is z into z equal to e to the power x into 1 plus x. Now this is obviously a linear ODE of first order. What is the solution then? Therefore, solution is z e to the power integration minus 1 by 1 plus x, because p is minus 1 by 1 plus x. So z e to the power integration p dx means z e to the power integration minus 1 by 1 plus x dx equal to integration e to the power integration minus 1 by 1 plus x dx into qx. What is qx? E to the power x into 1 plus x dx plus the integrating constant. Now what is e to the power integration minus 1 by 1 plus x? Or you have z e to the power minus ln 1 plus x. See, e to the power minus ln 1 plus x means e to the power ln 1 plus x inverse, okay, which is equal to integration, or let us write down now only. See, you have e to the power ln 1 plus x inverse. So e and ln gets cancelled out and only 1 plus x inverse remains. So instead of this, you can write only 1 plus x inverse. So this integration e to the power minus 1 by 1 plus x dx means 1 plus x inverse. So this is 1 plus x inverse into e to the power x into 1 plus x dx plus c. Now 1 plus x inverse into 1 plus x cancelled out, only e to the power x remains. So only e to the power x remains. Integration e to the power x dx plus c. What is integration e to the power x dx? E to the power x only. So now instead of this, you can write e to the power x plus c, which implies, now instead of z, resubstitute. What is z? Sin y. So instead of z, write sin y into 1 plus x inverse means sin y by 1 plus x equal to e to the power x plus c. So this is the solution. In the coming video also, we shall see a very similar type of problem, which is again of this form. Okay, but as of now, in today's video, we have seen a non-linear ODE like this, which upon a special substitution can be transformed to a linear ODE of first order. You just have to remember this form. Okay, so today's problem was based upon this form, f dash y dy dx plus px into fy equal to qx. If you have a problem which can be reduced to this form, then now you know that the substitution is put fy equal to z, and then ultimately that can be reduced to a linear ODE of first order, and then you know the solution of it. Okay. So my dear students, if you have understood the problem discussed in today's video, do like this video, share this video with your friends, follow my page, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, goodbye.